Every day, we wake up to the future. A rapid stream of groundbreaking technologies and products with the power to transport us safely and efficiently, take us to the skies and beyond, bring us fossil-free energy, life-saving medical treatments, and keep us all seamlessly connected and safe. Nobody can predict the future, but we do know that tomorrow's technologies will require connectivity solutions for the most challenging applications. This is where you'll find the people of Habia. One unified team of connectivity experts, combining the speed and agility of a local company with the expertise and resources of a global organization. Daring to challenge the status quo and innovating with a passion for quality and detail. More than 125 years of combined knowledge in custom-tailored cable and harness solutions for some of the coldest, hottest, tiniest and toughest applications on Earth. Today's innovations will help us solve tomorrow's climate and environmental challenges, bring power to automation solutions for more productive and durable industrial equipment, enable cleaner cars and aircraft. Even for the most distant places, we continue to find safe, reliable solutions. We are open-minded to change and continuing to aim higher. Because one thing is certain, tomorrow's products will require connectivity solutions beyond the ordinary.